Welcome back to John Kleis Car Audio's YouTube channel. My name is Connor. Today I'm sat in a 2012 Honda CRV that is coming to replace a very antiquated basic CD radio with a touchscreen, custom wanted Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, DAB, Bluetooth, and generally all the functionality you'd get with a newer Honda if you were to buy one of the new CRVs. Now let's show you what we've done. This is a Kenwood DMX8021 unit, fitted in a flush fit fascia, so it fits up really nicely against all the factory Honda parts. Let's turn it on. We've installed the Honda logo onto the unit, so it's a nice little touch. It's in keeping with the vehicle, reminds you what car you're sat in, just in case you forget. You've got a microphone which we installed up the top there. This customer's already got a dash cam fitted, not by ourselves, that's what the other cable is. So the microphone's fitted here, and then the DAB aerial, just in case you're wondering what happens with them, they go on the glass, and that's the DAB aerial, because the factory aerial in this car was only FM. Now, the customer's phone is automatically reconnected. He's got Android Auto, so it's one of the only videos on our channel we're actually going to show Android, because all of the employees at JK run iPhones. So I'm going to go an Android Auto demonstration. I'm going to touch that. Customer's phone's not plugged in, it's full wireless Android Auto. Unlike other manufacturers, Kenwood does do wireless Android Auto. Now that's the home screen. You get a split screen to get navigation on the right, music on the left, and then local POIs top left. Main button here takes you back to the home screen of Android Auto, where you would choose other apps. So for example, Google Maps, WhatsApp messages, Spotify, weather, and the like. You can use Google Voice by touching the Google Voice button just there. Yeah, Android Auto is very similar to Apple CarPlay in its design. Gives you all the navigation apps, including Apple Maps, keep saying next I'm so used to Apple. Google Maps, Waze, and even TomTom. You can control Spotify, music apps, and you can even use internet radio apps. Now the unit is a Kenwood, so if I go to the home screen, you're also going to get options like digital radio, FM radio, and what would appear here if you had it would be Apple. If the customer wanted to add a reverse camera, you've got the option to add a reverse camera on this. And what we can also do is if you push the main home button, it's got a HDMI input on this unit. That means we can add an input to the HDMI port for features like Amazon Fire Sticks, Chromecast, even a PlayStation if you want. But this is a unit that's great in functionality. It's got a very responsive capacitive touchscreen, means it's super quick and super easy to use. It's great for sound systems as well, so you can build off of it. And yeah, if it's installed by a Premier Centre like ourselves, you also get a 3-year warranty included as well, which is a rare commodity in the car audio world for these types of screens. So it's nice to have peace of mind. And if you're wondering, all your factory steering wheel controls all still work as well. So volume up and down, track up and down, and mode. This car didn't have the phone button options, but if you've got a CRV with the factory phone buttons here, they will also work as well. But anyway, that is it. That's all I can say about a Kenwood DMX8021 fitted in this 2012 Honda CRV. So from all the boys at John Kleis Car Audio, myself, Connor, we'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.